Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a broccoli smoothie for weight loss. For this you need some freshly brewed green tea, broccoli, apples, some spinach or wild rocket, celery and fresh mint. Wash and prep your ingredients like I've done right here, right now. I'm now going to add all my ingredients into my speed blender. Now start adding in my celery. Next I'm going to add some wild rocket. Next I'm going to add some apples. Finally my mint and broccoli. Now I'm going to add in my green tea. I'm now going to cover and blend. I've now blended up my nice fine smooth weight loss. I'm going to be serving it into my nice fine cup. I have now served this metabolism boosting green broccoli smoothie for weight loss. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. We are now coming to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.